This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, hi. This is the file which I share with you. So we will do a quick configuration to have a very professional WLC and wireless connection for a big company containing maybe 3-4 floors. Okay. First thing we do is to go to WLC and configure our WLC. I give you all the IP addresses already. So we go here in the config management and we will add all the IP addresses which is given here. I will just copy the IP address and paste it here. This is point 2, and then the subnet mask, because it's a /24, should be 255.255.255. So change the 0 to 255. Default gateway is the same IP address ended by 1, and the DNS server is 7.7.7.7, which I choose it because my birthday is on 7 June. And I like the number 7. It's a lucky number. Okay. So this is the WLC configuration done. Then I'll go for the admin PC and then desktop IP configuration. And here I will put the IP address, which is 170.10.100.10, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255. Change the 0 to 255 because it's a /24. And the DNS server again is my birthday 7777. So you should not forget it. Okay. Now I will close it. So in the third level, we will configure the server, open the server, go to desktop, IP configuration, put here the IP address, which the IP address of the server is 0.5. Okay, 0.5, and the subnet mask again 255.255.255.0, and you need to go to the services in the DHCP. Make sure that the service is on. You have the pool name server pool. The default gateway is there. The subnet mask is there. A start IP address is the network ID. You have the subnet mask. Maximum number of users is 250. Same this according thing. And the WLC address is 170.10.100.2. Okay, as you can see here, everything is there. So you just save it just to make sure already everything is there. You go to the config fast Ethernet port, you see everything is on. It's just for double checking. Okay, and then close it. So we configure the server also. Now everything is there. What we will do, we want to add more floors. For example, this is floor 1, this is floor 2. Let me zoom out a bit. This is floor 1, this is floor 2. I want to add 2 more floor. So I will copy this one and then paste floor 3 and then maybe paste floor 4. Okay, so you can change it to floor 4 and floor 3. I did nothing, huh? I only copy paste. Then choose the straight through cable, connect the APs with the switch. Okay, and then click on fast forward to establish connection. For safety, go to the each AP config and here click on the static and then DHCP. Make sure you know that your IPs are updated. So go to the config here, static DHCP, just to update the IPs. Make sure, because sometimes this packet tracer gives error. So static DHCP, look, and again static DHCP, just to make sure. Now, if you want to add more floor, up to you, but for me, 4 floor is enough. I want to draw also some areas for each floor to make it clear. So I will have here, for example, blue color, and then draw here my first floor area, and then I'll choose pink color. I draw here my floor 2 area, and then I choose, for example, yellow for my third floor, of course. Okay, and you can choose, for example, green one for the fourth floor, like that. Okay, to make it more nice. Now what we will do, we will go to configure our WLC. The user is admin, the password is also admin. So I open the admin PC, I go here to the web browser. Okay, here we will write the IP address, which is https 170.10.100.2. This is the IP address of WLC. And then go login admin, password admin. I use admin because it's easy. If you want to change it, when you open the WLC, you can go here in the management and change the password. Here you can add new and put the new username and password here. I don't want to change it, so I will not touch it. Then click apply. If you want to change the timing and the date also, you can go here in the comment. Here there are the time and date and location and everything is here, the time zone, but no need to do it, okay? You can reboot also. We don't care about this thing. We will go here in the wireless. In the wireless, you can see the list of all the APs which we have. You should see floor 1, floor 2, and floor 3 and floor 4. See, the floor 3 is not showing here. So what should I do? I just go back here in my floor 3 and then I put a static, again DHCP, click on fast forward, okay, and then I open, refresh, okay, as you can see sometimes it has errors. Look, when you refresh to 3 times it will show now. This is just error in packet tracer, so you have to try it. A static DHCP update, refresh, it will show finally, it will show. Now what I have to do, I have to make profiles. So I go to the WLAN, okay, create new, go to the VLAN, create new. I will make a profile and SSID for each floor. So my profile name is floor 1, SSID, you can use same floor 1, up to anything you want you can use. And ID1, apply. Okay, so click here, enable. The status should be enabled, very important. Then you go to the security, okay? Click layer 2 security WPA plus WPA2. Here WPA2 policy, tick, oops, okay, enable it. Then go down, pre-shared key, PSK, enable, and put here your shared key. I will put admin 1, 2, 3. Because if I put only admin, it gives error. Look, admin will give error. It will not accept it when I apply. See, it says pre-shared key should be 8. That's why I'll put it here, the password admin 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, I will type it for make sure. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to the advanced and enable the here in the Flex Connect, enable the Flex local switch and Flex authentication flexibility. Okay, now everything is fine. Apply. Do the same thing for each floor. Okay, do the same thing for floor 2, floor 3. I go back. Floor 4. For each floor, do this thing. So I will do it quickly. You just watch. Create new profile name. Floor 2. SSID. Floor 2. And the ID is 2. Apply. Okay, floor 2 enable. Then I go to security, choose WPA plus WPA2, enable the WPA2, go down, pre-shared key, right here, admin, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then go to the advanced, enable the flexibility, got the local switching and authentication. Now apply. Now go back. Okay, create new profile for floor 3. Okay, I write here floor 3 SSL. You can put branch 3, anything you like. No need to follow same things. Any name you like, you can put here. Okay, I enable. Go to the security layer 2 WPA plus WPA2 security. Then I choose the WPA2 policy and I choose a pre-shared key, which is admin 1, 2, 3, and I go to the advanced, enable the flexibility. Where is it? Here down. Enable the flexibility and click on apply. Now I will create my last profile. Okay, this is my last profile. Create new. Okay, so here I will write floor 4 and the SSID is floor 4. First letter is capital, huh? Don't forget, because you have to, this is the case sensitive for SSID. Now here enable, go to the security, WPA plus WPA2, WPA2 policy should be enabled, and then you use the pre-shared key, which is admin 1, 2, 3, admin, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and then go to the advanced and enable the flexibilities, flexible local switching and authentication, apply. Okay, now I have my 4 VLANs for each floor. I have now to add the access points. Now, if you want to have 5 floor, 6 floor, 10 floor, 2 floor, same way. You just do the same, repeat. Okay, what happened? Okay, I will apply again to make sure it is there. Let me go back and go to the, I'm not sure whether it's saved or not, but yeah, it's enabled, so it's saved. So now go here in the advanced left side in the AP groups. We have to create group for each floor. So what we will do, we will here add a group. So the group name will be, for example, floor 1, no need description. Add 4 group, floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, floor 4. So this is floor 2, add. We will modify each one later. Okay, floor 3 add, floor 3 add. Okay, floor 4 add, floor 4 add. Perfect. Now we go floor 1. Open each floor. Okay, now here in the floor 1, first thing you have to do is to go to the WLAN and add the SSID for floor 1, and then here add, look here in the VLAN SSID for the floor 1 is here. Then you go to the APs and add the floor 1 AP. Here doesn't show, you should go down right side and then click on the floor 1, add AP. Click OK, it will add it here. It will be added here. APs, look, APs here should be, VLAN also should be here. Now go back. Now do this for each floor. Now for floor 2, add APs and VLAN for each one. Okay, so we go for the VLAN, we add. So here you should choose 2 because this is floor 2. Okay, and now I go to the APs and choose floor 2. I have to go to the right side to add the AP. Okay, now I go back, do floor 3, VLAN, add SSID, floor 3, add AP, floor 3, go up, add. Now I go back and I do for my last floor. Floor 4, add SSID, floor 4, add, go to the AP, floor 4, right side, add. Okay, we are done. Everything is set already. Perfect. Everything is fine. We will just now close this one. Okay, now we want to add for each floor one printer. We have already, I put here sample printer for you. One smartphone, you can go here in the end device and bring one smart device here. Okay, one smart device, one laptop, and one PC. You want more? No problem. Later, after configuration, you add more. Now, how to configure? This is floor 1. Open the printer, go to the config, wireless, and your SSID was what? Floor 1. You remember? Then click on WPA2 and you put here your pre-shared key, which is admin 1, 2, 3. Click on static and then DHCP to do the connection. Look, the connection established. Now go to the smartphone. Same thing. Go to the config, wireless, put the SSID, which is floor 1, WPA2, admin 1, 2, 3, static DHCP just to update and establish the connection. Look, it's established. Now I go to the wireless host. Okay, config, wireless, SSID is floor 1, pre-shared key is admin 1, 2, 3. I put a static and then DHCP. See, established connection. Now I go to the wireless PC, config, wireless, SSID is floor 1, WPA2 is admin 1, 2, 3, and then a static again DHCP. Now connection established. Okay, now very easy, no need to do anything. Just copy this one. I will copy this one, these devices. Okay, it didn't copy only devices, it copies everything. Wait, what happened? Okay, no problem. I'll copy one by one. I will put here one computer. One smartphone in floor 2, huh? Okay, and one printer. So I have 4 devices here. See, when I want to copy it, copy with the background. Okay, so no problem. Open each one, go to the config, wireless, just change the 1 to 2. No need to do anything. Static DHCP. Okay, so config, wireless, change the 1 to 2 because the second floor, no? So static DHCP. Okay, I go to the wireless printer. Okay, this already I did it. Now a smartphone, config, wireless, floor 1, change it to 2, static DHCP just to update, huh? Connect to this one. Look, this connection established. And then for the wireless PC, okay, sorry, laptop, sorry, config, wireless, change the floor 1 to 2, and a static, change it to DHCP. Fine? Okay, the same thing, you do it Okay, with here. Okay, 4 devices. Now open. This is floor 3, huh? So wireless floor 3, a static DHCP. Then I go for a smartphone config wireless floor 2 change to 3, a static DHCP. Okay, printer config wireless floor 3, a static DHCP just to update. And which one not connecting? This one. This one config wireless floor 3, a static DHCP. See all the connection established. Now I will copy again the same devices, put it in the 4th floor. Where is it? Oh, sorry, I copied 2 times. Wait, I will delete one extra, huh? I will take this one, put it up, and then I copy the printer, and I copy the smartphone. So I have 4 devices here also. Now this is floor 4, okay? So you have to go to the config, change the floor 3 to floor 4, a static DHCP, and then the printer config wireless floor 3, change it to floor 4, a static DHCP, then the laptop, okay, go to the config wireless floor 3, change it to 4, a static DHCP, and then the smartphone config wireless, change floor 3 to floor 4, static DHCP. Look, we have a very professional and advanced wireless connection. Now, if you want to have more devices in each area, no problem. You can just copy all these devices and then, sorry, I copied this one. Copy only the devices for each floor, copy, and then paste in the same area. Maybe you can make the area more bigger. Then you can fix it, for example. Okay, just put this one here, this one here. The connection already established because same from same area you copy now. Okay, you want also here more, no problem. Copy all the devices, copy all the devices, copy and paste. It's only copy and paste. Or you want, for example, only a smartphone, no problem. Just copy the smartphone like this, control, and then click on a smartphone. Okay. See, it's good like here. Make it more. And now here also, you can only copy paste. I want only copy paste this one, for example. So select all and then control, copy, and V, control V. Look, I want this one also. So I will click on control and click on the laptop. Okay. Here also, I want more laptop, for example. I want more PC. Just click on control and then click on the device. I want more a smartphone. Okay. Okay, guys. Good luck. Thank you for watching.